Hello everyone, so in this video I would like to share the work that we finished in the Range Rover Sport 2005 model Supercharged. And this one, if you already remember, it came with a faulty entertainment system. The screen and the radio turn on and off intermittently by itself, and the fiber optic was checked that faulty as well. So we actually came with this new solution that we remove the factory amplifier, which is right underneath of the driver seat here, and we replace it with the new adaptive amplifier and subwoofer from Pioneer. Fit perfectly on the same factory flat, and right in the same factory position under the driver seat, and it's really nice hidden over there. And also we rewire all the speakers from the Hammond Cotton Logic 7 system into our new system here. So at this moment the sound's already tuned up and connect, and we are satisfied with the output of the sound, which I'm sure that the owner will be very happy as well. This is the 9-inch full setup, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, which you are seeing the wireless Android Auto on the screen connected with our phone recording at the same time. And we fit it with the full HD anti-glare and Super Night Vision reverse camera right on the back tailgate in the middle. So yep, it's all here. And we also get this system ready with the internet SIM card ready, and it has 2 USB port, and it has control for the subwoofer that we just fit under the driver's seat. So right now everything is beautiful. One thing, because the whole entertainment system and fiber optic cable system failed, so actually the steering wheel control button doesn't work, but it doesn't matter at this point. It's easy to control from here, easy to touch the screen, phone call and anything, music, video. If we reverse, it simply go up to reverse camera, and that's easy, very easy to go. Instantly it move back to the Android Auto and reverse again, and it will come back to normal. So yeah, it's perfectly working right now, and the sound will be very nice. We will make a new video, and you will see it very easy in the new video for the sound review. So yep, thanks again for watching, and see you soon in the video for the sound system review.